ask me why.
Why?
I don't really know. Well, I know why. The guy's going to pay me to do it. What he wants to use it for, I haven't a clue.
How hot's the metal?
The fire can get up to about 3,000 degrees. I usually work metal somewhere between 1,500 and 2,000 degrees.
How long does it usually take?
To make a giant fish hook?
Uh-huh.
I don't know. Don't make very many. Different things take different varying lengths of time, depending on how big the material is you're working with and how complex the piece. An S-hook might take 5 minutes. A knife might take 5 days.
So is this some of the stuff you've made down here?
Yeah.
Does that help burn the fire faster?
Blowing into the fire, that's what makes it hot. Otherwise, it just sit there. You can get much heat out of it. And it'll die.
How did you make the twists on the fish hook?
You just heat it up, clamp it in the vise, grab it with a pair